Do you know what a false low is or a false high? Let me explain. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com, and today is October 5th at 11:15, and you're looking at a chart of the VIX. And the VIX is daily chart down around here. This little indicator here is called the percent B, the percent B. And when we look at the percent B, we want to pay attention to when this happens and when this happens. But in particular, what we're looking at is the last time the percent B made this little bottom, it was on September 18th. Today, we are lower than where we were on September 18th. However, the percent B is not as low as it was, as you can see right here. What that means is the enthusiasm for selling the VIX is actually drying up, but nobody knows it yet. This constitutes a false bottom. The moment she stops and the moment she closes higher than the previous day will mark a reversal and a confirmation of the false bottom, and the VIX should be bought. Or if you are short the VIX should be covered. Now, what do we know about the VIX? When the VIX goes down, the market goes up. When the VIX goes up, the market goes down. Now, we're at 40 years, actually, we're in the history of the VIX ever since it's been traded at its all-time low. All-time low. What do we know about the markets? The markets are at their all-time highs. What does Warren Buffett say? When the VIX is low, you go. When the VIX is high, you buy. Now, before I leave you, let me show you one other market. Let me show you the indices. And they all, for the most part, look exactly the same. This was the old high on the ES contract on 9/12. It was a true high. You can see we're much higher than we were on 9/12. Look at the percent B. It is not nearly as high. It's important. Look at the NQ, the NASDAQ, even more dramatic. As high as it was back here, but the percent B is not. That is that divergence. It doesn't have the enthusiasm to go up. So we are seeing false highs on all of the markets. The Dow, even more pronounced. When the market was up here, there was tremendous enthusiasm. The market has actually continued to go up, and the percent B hasn't. TWA 800 did something similar. When the nose cone of TW 800 fell off, did the plane go up or did the plane go down? The plane actually kept going and continued up. The momentum was that strong. But what I'm pointing out to you is that the momentum is waning. This is a important daily signal to protect your profits and to begin to get long the VIX and to begin selling this rally, and for aggressive traders actually shorting. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. We are a private club, a systems trader, but we try to teach our members and our folks new ways of looking at the market. These are new markets. These aren't your daddy's markets from 10 years ago or even 20 years ago. Entirely new. If you're getting an education from wherever you're at, good. But don't think you're going to get it from the Contrarian News Bubble channel or from the media or from yesterday's newspaper. Hardly. Feel free to check us out. Bagadon, StockMarketCaddy.com. Be careful.